In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Honey Chrome extension, a powerful tool that helps you save money by finding the best coupons available when you shop online. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of digital savings, we'll walk you through each step to ensure you get the most out of this handy extension. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and conduct a search for the Chrome Web Store. This search will bring up several results, but you'll want to find the one with the URL chromewebstore.google.com and open that link. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, locate the search bar at the top left corner of the page. Here, you can type in Honey to find the Honey extension in the store's catalog. Click on the Honey extension from the search results to access its dedicated page. Now, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome, situated to the right of the extension's name. By clicking on this button, you're initiating the process to integrate Honey into your browser. As you click, a pop-up will appear. This is Google's way of informing you about the permissions required by Honey to operate effectively. Simply click Add Extension. This confirms that you agree with the necessary permissions and allows the installation to proceed. Once the installation is complete, you may be prompted to create a Honey account. This step is crucial as it personalizes your experience and syncs your savings across different devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign up or log in if you already have an account. To ensure easy access to Honey, look for the puzzle piece icon on your Chrome toolbar. This icon is where all of your extensions reside. Click on it to reveal a list of all your installed extensions. Find Honey from this list, and to make it readily accessible, click the pin icon next to it. Pinning Honey to your main toolbar ensures that you can quickly click on it whenever you need shopping assistance. With Honey installed and ready to go, let's look at how to use it effectively while shopping online. Head over to any website where you plan to make a purchase and add items to your cart as you normally would. Before completing your purchase, navigate to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. Honey will automatically scan the internet for available coupons. If any are found, you'll notice a notification, or the Honey icon will become active, showcasing available discounts. Finally, to take advantage of these savings, simply click Apply Coupons in the pop-up that Honey presents. The extension will then automatically test different coupon codes to find and apply the one that saves you the most money. And there you have it. That's how you can smoothly install and use the Honey Chrome extension to start saving on your online purchases. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!